In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Coursera course quickly and easily. If you're new to Coursera or simply need a refresher on how to purchase a course, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open a web browser and go to the Coursera website. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account by following the prompts provided and filling in the required details. It's a straightforward process, and once you're logged in, you're ready to start exploring. Next, we're going to find the course you'd like to enroll in. At the top of the Coursera homepage, you'll see a search bar. Type the name of the course or the subject area you're interested in. After entering your query, a list of courses will appear. Browse through them and click on the title of the course that catches your eye and fits your educational goals. This will take you to the course's dedicated page, where you can get more detailed information about what the course covers. On the course page, you're going to want to check the pricing options available. Look for the Enroll for Free/Paid options section. Some courses offer a free audit option, which is great if you're just interested in accessing the materials without receiving a certificate of completion. However, if you're aiming to earn a certificate, you'll typically need to select the paid option. So take a moment to decide which path suits your needs best. Once you've decided, it's time to click Enroll. You'll see options like Purchase Course or Enroll and Pay. If the course offers various enrollment choices, such as a monthly subscription or a one-time payment, choose the option that best fits your budget and learning style. Selecting the right payment plan is important to ensure you get the most value from your learning experience. With the enrollment option selected, you'll need to enter your payment details. You can either use a credit or debit card or opt for PayPal. Make sure to double-check all your billing information to avoid any mistakes. Accuracy here will prevent any hiccups during your purchase process. Finally, let's complete the purchase. Click the Enroll or Pay Now button to finalize the transaction. Once payment is processed, congratulations, you'll have full access to the course materials and, if applicable, the certificate. Enjoy your learning journey on Coursera and take full advantage of the resources available to you. Thank you for watching and happy studying!